Kia ora, my name is Taisha Tari and I'm here to talk about Waiata Ako.
Whispers of courage and
The second round of Waiata Ako is about our emerging artists coming through, 20 plus, and the development.
Spiritual lineage, that's my why. I am bound.
Taisha has laid it down and said, this is a safe space. You can be vulnerable, you can be free, you can, make mistakes.
The one thing I'm loving is how our voices are coming together with such a unified sound. Like that, it's just extraordinary.
the water in you, the water in me.
For me, there's a lot I've taken from it. From songwriting to being more confident in myself.
Koe kiki taku manawa, koe kiki taku ngākau, and my heart is full.
It's like a really healing Wananga where you can just strip everything back.
Why I really enjoyed coming here because I realised there's other people in the same boat as me.
One of our purposes in these wānanga is to connect our artists back to their culture and to their language. I'm really looking forward to the future and just where we can go.